Not all gases are created equal, and they're stored in cylinders in one of three ways. Understanding this is the first step in knowing what you're dealing with. Liquefied gases are the ones that turn into liquid when squeezed under pressure at normal temperatures. Think of the propane cylinder on a plumber's torch or the jugs of refrigerant used by HVAC and auto mechanics. The cylinder contains both liquid and gas, and pressure stays relatively constant until the last of the liquid boils off. For non-liquefied gases, these guys stay as a gas no matter how much you pressurize them. At normal temperatures, I mean. This group includes the real workhorses of welding and purging: oxygen, nitrogen, and argon. Nitrogen is the plumber's and HVAC tech's best friend for pressure testing and purging lines because it's inert and dry. Argon's the silent partner in high-quality TIG welding, creating a perfect shield around the weld so it doesn't get contaminated. With these gases, the pressure gauge is a true fuel gauge. As the pressure drops, you know you're running out. For dissolved gases, this category has one main superstar: acetylene. Acetylene is the high-strung rock star of the fuel gas world. It's so unstable that pressurizing it on its own is a recipe for a massive explosion. To tame it, manufacturers dissolve it in acetone, which is held in a porous, sponge-like material that fills the entire container. This is why federal regulations are crystal clear that acetylene containers must always be stored and used upright. If you lay it down, you risk pulling liquid acetone into your regulator and hoses, which can lead to dangerous flashbacks. Cylinders themselves are also highly engineered. You might notice they have different colors, but the printed label is the only true way to identify the contents. Never rely on the color alone. More importantly, the valve threads are intentionally different for different gas types. A flammable gas like acetylene has left-hand threads, the opposite of righty-tighty lefty-loosey. This is aimed at preventing you from accidentally hooking up an oxygen regulator. It's a built-in safety feature, so never try to force a connection that doesn't fit.